I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Ariana here, and I'm super excited to be coming to you guys today with this video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I actually lost 22 pounds. For those of you who follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, you guys know that I posted daily about how I lost 22 pounds and just documented my whole fitness journey. However, it's been a long time coming that I actually made a video touching on the key points on how I lost my 22 pounds in a whole. So let's just get right into the video. I took some notes, just wanted to make sure that I didn't miss anything. So we're just gonna get straight into it. So the first thing, like, what did I do? How did I lose 22 pounds? So the first thing that I did was 7 a.m. fasted cardio. And the first thing I did, that was the first thing I literally did when I woke up. I turned on some Eric Thomas. He got me pumped up. I was really excited. When you're sleeping, your body is in a fasted state. So it's burning calories while you sleep. It's burning fat while you sleep. And I can kind of put somewhere here explaining like how your body stays in a fasted state and what times of day it actually stays in a fasted state, so you can manipulate your body to basically burn more calories. So fasted cardio was the first thing that I did when I first woke up. I didn't eat anything. I just drank water and then I burned calories. So what I did was I set a goal to burn 200 calories on the Stairmaster. The first thing I did before I even did that, to ease my way into it, what I did was I would go to the gym and I would get on the treadmill. And the way I eased my way into it was actually by getting on the treadmill. I would put the incline on maybe like 3.5 to 5. So I'll put the incline on that. I'll have the speed at about, I started off I think at 2.5, then I'll ease my way up until like 5.5. So I was like speed walking. So I did that literally for 1 hour, and I did the treadmill. So I'm gonna back up. I did the treadmill for at least 1 hour, and within that hour I burned maybe 300 to 500 calories just doing that. And believe it or not, I actually lost, I believe it was 6 pounds in 4 days just by doing that. In the case that's something you want to do or you want to attempt to do, start off doing the treadmill first, and then just work your way up. And then that's when I transitioned into the Stairmaster, which is, in the beginning it was pretty hard. However, that's with anything, you start and then you just work your way up. So with the Stairmaster, I'll do between like 30 minutes to an hour, and I will make a goal to burn at least 200 calories in the morning before I even have a meal. Reason being, while my body is in a fasted state, I want to burn the most calories so that I can get the maximum results the fastest. And key is to burn more calories than you take in. And sometimes I would even go to like the track around the corner from my house. I would run around there 4 times, which equals a mile. And just a little tip for the people who want to, go to the track. One thing I did was, okay, so you have a straightaway, you have a curve, then you have another straightaway and another curve. One thing I would do when I first started off was, 1 mile could be intimidating to someone who's just getting started. So what I would do is I would jog the straightaway and then I would walk the curve. Jog the straightaway, walk the curve. And then after so long, you'll start to see yourself actually being able to jog or run for longer periods of time. And then it'll just become natural to you. So the second thing that I did is I got on a meal plan. And when I first started, meal plan consisted of was 2 shakes, 1 meal, and maybe like 2 or 3 snacks. So after my fasted cardio, I had my protein shake, and then I had apples and peanut butter for my snack. And for my second meal of the day, I'll have like chicken breast, brown rice, and broccoli. This was when I was eating meat. However, right now I am vegan. And I'll be posting like more videos about like what I eat now. My next snack was rice cake, peanut butter, strawberries, and kiwi, and that was actually one of my favorite snacks to have. And then my third meal of the day would maybe be like a protein shake in the case like I was at work or I was, in school full time. And then before bed, I actually, like in the case like I would be hungry, I would have maybe like a protein bar or something really light before bed, not like a really heavy meal. Okay, so the third thing that I actually did was meal prep. Meal prep is life. Meal prep for the whole week. Now you have like a whole fridge full of food, and now you don't need to go out and go eat some fast food just for the fact that you're hungry. Always be prepared. Always be prepared. So meal prepping actually saved me money and it saved me time. And since I was, a full-time college student at the time and I was working, this was actually like a lifesaver for me. Instead of me like going to the lunchroom to go get like some food, or like they're mostly sell unhealthy food. So instead of me going to do that, I already have my meal prep in my lunchbox, and my stomach was happy and my pockets was happy, okay? And then the next thing, so along with my meal prep, one thing that I also did was when I was eating meat, I would scale my meat. So on my meal plan, I had about 4 to 6 ounces of meat. So what I would do is I would put it on this scale, and I would put the link in the description box below. And as far as like my carbs, like rice and potatoes and stuff like that, I would have a measuring cup, and I'll just measure that out to a half a cup to a cup, just depending on what your meal plan is. And the fourth thing on my list that I actually did was get an accountability partner. When I first started my fasted cardio, I had a friend. She texted a couple people, put us in a private Facebook group chat. Hey guys, you want to come out? We're doing fasted cardio in the morning. So we basically call it the 7 a.m. fasted cardio club. That's what we call it. Club, we had at least 5 to 6 people like come every morning, at least 3 to 4 times a week, to keep us accountable. And just imagine like having 5 to 6 people every day to work out with. Like, this actually made my fitness journey a lot more fun, and I enjoyed the whole process. The key is to enjoy the process. So find you an accountability partner, invite them over for a home workout or something like that. Just make it fun for the both of you. The fifth thing that I did was a waist trainer, and I'll link a video. Actually did a workout this morning, so I'll link a video right here or over here or down here somewhere. I'll link a video basically showing you guys how I use my waist trainer. And the benefits of the waist trainer was that it locks in like the body heat, and it allows you to sweat a lot more. And every time I work out, I use the waist trainer. And I also put Albolene. So what I'll do with this Albolene is I'll take like a dime size, I'll rub it in my hand and rub it on my belly, and then I'll put some saran wrap on it. I'll link the video right here. Put some saran wrap on it, and then I'll put my waist trainer. So this allows me to sweat a lot more in that area that I want to lose the most inches. And then the last thing that I did was drink water. I drank a half gallon to a gallon of water a day, and you want to drink about half your body weight, or half the amount you weigh in ounces. So I was 159, so I would drink half of that in ounces of water. So I'm super excited for this video. Stay tuned for the next video. In the case you like this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and be sure to push that notification bell above to get notified every time I post a new video. Talk to you soon.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. guarded.